Bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my loves, so I'm going to be showing you guys a very small Christmas haul. Yes, you heard me correct, Christmas. I know I'm a little early, but I got some things that I wanted to show you. I'm really excited about, and I wanted to just share it with you guys. The background is still obviously Halloween, because we are still going to be doing our last minute Halloween DIY project. Okay, so let me show you what I have at Michael's. Tons of millions of things that I have for Christmas. I love every single one of those things that they have, but I really, honestly speaking, need to first see what I have and then get things for Christmas, because I have tons of stuff that I bought last year, even like after Christmas, that were on sale and on clearance, and I don't even remember, to be honest with you. Actually, I was watching my videos from last year when I do like haul videos for you guys, just to get an idea of what I have, because I don't even remember. But I had to get these. I had to. These are these foam stickers. They're oh my god, are these called like toy soldiers? Or nutcrackers? I don't know what they're really called. I think it's called nutcracker. These are so cute, guys. I love them. By the way, I bought like a whole bunch of like these nutcracker like statues or decorations at Dollar Tree, and I was able to collect all of them, so I'm super duper excited. But look how cute these stickers are. I have like so many vision for the sticker. I cannot wait to show you what we're gonna turn these stickers into. They're gonna literally look like life size nutcrackers or toy soldiers. I don't know what you call these, but I love them. Okay, so I grabbed them. They were actually on sale. They had buy one and get the second one 50% off, so I did that. Okay, that's at Michael's. I didn't do anything else. I wanted to get more stickers because I did have like a 40% off coupon for, you know, recollection stickers, but again, I was just like, no, let me see what I have at home first. Okay, I went to the Dollar Tree and I only picked up a few things. I didn't pick up a lot, again, with the intentions of seeing what I have from last year. But I did pick this up because I fell in love with these picks. Not to mention that you get 5. Can you guys see there? You get 5 in this pick and these little packs. So you get 5 of these red glittery picks, and then you get 5 of the gold. So I was like, hold up, I don't remember seeing this last year. So I just grabbed them because literally there were only like a few more on the shelf, and I'm like, no, I'm not gonna wait, because I know if I go back I will not find these. So I'm in love with these picks. I love them. I can't wait to make some decorations. You guys remember the decoration we made for Halloween? We're gonna do something similar for Christmas, so I cannot wait. I'm super excited. Super excited. Okay, I got that at the Dollar Tree, and I also picked up a whole bunch of these really beautiful, gorgeous greeting cards. We are going to do what we did last year, which was from one greeting card, we're going to create several things. We're going to create a note, like a little small mini note card. We're going to create perhaps maybe a tag, and maybe we're going to create some embellishments. So I grabbed a whole bunch of these greeting cards with that intentions. This is probably going to be like the #1 video that I'm gonna probably do, like as far as the Christmas series. I'm thinking of making this the first video. Papi, can you give me a little water? I'm ready. My throat is already starting to hurt. Guys, give me 1 second, please. Thank you, baby. Okay, so okay, sorry. Excuse me for that. So I picked these up. I love them. They're super duper cute. I was literally for like 10 minutes in the section where they have cards, trying to figure out and trying to pick the right card for this project. I mean, I know I have millions of these cards at home, but I wanted it to come from the Dollar Tree because I wanted you guys to, you know, get ideas and get inspiration. So we're going to be doing that soon. Okay. Then I went to Dollar General, and that was like the worst mistake I ever did. I went for, I don't know what I went for. I went for one thing, and I came out with like millions of things. The worst mistake I ever did. So they have everything out for Christmas. They have awesome things, and so I picked up a few things from there. The very first thing that I picked up was this amazing tissue paper that I am obsessed with. You guys know how much I love tissue paper, especially like holiday tissue papers, and it's so difficult to find it, you know. Besides the typical like red, green, you know, and white, I like my tissue papers to have like nice decorations for the holidays, right? So I fell in love with this tissue paper. Look how beautiful this tissue paper is, guys. How freaking adorable is this? I love it. Do not open until the 25th of December. Special delivery. Delivery date, December 25th. I love it. Made in Santa's workshop. North Pole. I fell in love with this tissue paper. So, of course, you know me, I grabbed 4 of them. They were only $1. And I loved it. So I grabbed 4 of these tissue papers. Okay. Then I saw these stickers, and I was like, oh my god, these stickers are adorable. They have awesome stickers. I do not need any more stickers. I understand that. I know that. Just work with me, okay? Work with me. Pretend I have no stickers. I had to get these though, because look how cute these stickers are. They're like little babies. They have like little baby faces, and I work for a pediatrician office, so that works. It's like perfect, right? It's like exactly perfect. These babies are so cute. Look at their faces, guys. I don't know if you guys can see, but do you see how cute their faces are? Little elves. And then just look at the Santa. Look at this little... They're just so cute, these little babies. So I thought this would be perfect to do like a little embellishment for the office. So this is... I love it. I loved it. So I picked up 2 of these. And then... Okay, and then I went crazy... Like, I didn't go crazy, but I did pick up a few ornaments because I love them. I don't need any ornaments, but I love these. So I picked up this one, which I thought it was so cute. It's a snowman, and it just says, let it snow. So cute, right? Only $1, which is crazy. And then I picked up another one that says warm winter wishes, which is almost the same thing, the snowman. It's like a pear, right? The pear. I love this one. This is the only one they had. I wish they had more. This one says, Santa, stop here. Pretty, please. How cute are these freaking ornaments? They had so many beautiful ornaments. It's crazy. And then I found these, and I was like, oh my god, these are so beautiful. And I wanted to do like a DIY project with like incorporating something like this. So this one says faith, family, and blessed. And this is a really pretty ornament. And then this one is the same concept, but this one says peace, hope, and love. Right? So pretty. I love it. So I'm definitely going to try to do a DIY project incorporating something that looks like this, because I really, really love how this ornament looks. Okay, and then that is all I got for Dollar General, okay? I didn't get anything else for Dollar General. I didn't get anything else for Dollar Tree. I did find another, like a little sticker pack from another, like, dollar store that's my local, it's in my local area where I live, and I picked up these because I thought they were really fun. These are like little stockings, and they were like awesome. This dollar store that I have near me is amazing. They have, I don't know if you guys remember last year, but I had went crazy buying a lot of like rose gold things for Christmas, and I think I want to say that I believe I did a video showing you guys the rose gold things that I got last year. Well, anyway, I got them at the same store that I got these stickers. They had really, really awesome stickers. But again, I'm just trying my best not to buy so many stickers because I know I have a lot from last year. But I love, love, love these little stockings. So I had to grab them. I thought they were so cute. I grabbed 2 of the stockings and then I grabbed 1 of the Santa hats. Okay. Okay. And then at the thrift shop, they had millions of things for Christmas, obviously. I did not go crazy. I picked up this paper, like this vintage gift paper. I loved it. I thought it was beautiful. I don't know. Something about it just caught my attention. And I love the little squares. And I thought we could do like a nice embellishment using this. So I picked this paper up. It was only like $1, the pack. I also picked up, a few days ago, I picked up these drums, which I thought they were brilliant for a Christmas, you know, decoration. And they're just absolutely gorgeous. They're supposed to be like actually ornaments, these drums. But I love them. I love the color. It's so vintagey, as you can see there. And it's so beautiful. So I picked these up. I thought they were like interesting to maybe do some kind of like project for Christmas. Okay. And the last thing that I picked up from the thrift shop was I picked this up because it brought me so much memories of my childhood, and I just thought about my childhood when I saw this, and I thought to myself, oh my god, like I remember when I was a child, you know, when my mom used to gift these to me, and it brought me so much good memories that I just had to grab it. But these are, I don't know if you guys remember these, but they're like those mesh stocking that you put candy in. Remember, you guys? Do you guys remember these? I mean, am I like the only grandma that remembers this? But if you remember these, wow. And this is actually coming from the store called Alexander's. This store is like freaking old. Oh my god, I remember this store. But okay, do you guys remember these? I don't know, do you guys really remember back in the days when things used to be different and the candies used to be given different? Well, we used to have these. I mean, they still do nowadays. I'm not gonna say they don't sell this because I have seen them, but you know, it's more of like finders keepers kind of thing. It's not more out there anymore like it used to be back in the days. But anyway, we used to put candies in here, and then you used to gift this to the kids, and this is like a stocking. It just brings me such good memories that I had to grab it. And so yeah, and so I grabbed it. I know it's so cheesy, but I just loved it. I really want to make like a I really want to do something like a DIY project incorporating something like this. So we might do that this year. We'll see, okay? We'll see. Okay, and that's literally all I got, guys. As you can see, I did not go crazy with Christmas. Not yet, anyway. But for the most part, that's all I got. So I hope that you enjoyed this very short haul video. I will see you guys on my next video. Okay, so get ready to get a lot of last minute Halloween DIY projects. We're going to be doing that soon. I'm going to try to do at least 4 to 5, maybe 6 videos for you guys, and then we're going to call the Halloween series, you know, we're going to close it out, and we're going to carry on into Christmas. I really want to start Christmas this year early because I know that I did not do too much good justice with Halloween this year, and I really want to make it up to you guys. So I really want to do Christmas super duper early this year. All right, my loves, I love you all. Have a fantastic weekend. I hope that you enjoy watching me show you guys these like little mini Christmas haul. I will see you soon. Be safe. I love you all. Have a fantastic weekend. And thank you so much for stopping by and for all your wonderful support. Love you all. And I'll see you soon. Bye, babies.